Mutegeri wa Wero TV yanko gwate ogeni kire mubango jwa gikaro kithaene giki kagita gaka baingi betete na mbere kwithirwa bakimakira ha mutunduko jwa nchoma ya corona, lakini ntukwe narua turenda kwariria antu baria boririti na antu baria boririti muno ni antu baria bajitwe ni murimo jungi murimo jotu jwa COVID-19 kana murimo jo kumenyekana ja corona. Mtura wajitwe ni murimo jo cancer, mtura wajitwe ni murimo jungi ya mami cibitari, mtura kwajwa kagite ne gaka thirikari kuga gute kumara antu bu baritethekatea iba gwita cibitari bakutha bakiona services iri kwendekana na guntetheria ntukwe narua nkethwa ndina ageni baire na mugeni wa mbere ndina waja tawa Mrs. Muriuki, lakini tukwenda mwaririe muno karibu sana ndene gikaro mbere ma Kethia Miru na Tegeri wa Wero TV.
Mugeni akaribu Miru ala ategi wa Wero TV bitagwa Mrs. Muriuki mbumite Tharaka Nithi County.
Tharaka Nithi ni nene Tharaka Nithi na
mbumite Tharaka Nithi County muntu gwetagwa Muthambi, muntu gwetagwa Rugota sublocation antu gatura getagwa Giampampo stage.
Giampampo stage.
Odiete tako odiete chuka wa umachogoria odiete chogori odiete chuka pelota kinya university au twenda jamarigo mega mono na bokando na matunda jangi ja maingi au ni ogwetu
ibwega sana na wanza maybe tukiambiria mbere kinyato ariria mathina jara ajiba mulimo jo cancer bokurukira kagita gaka kwena nchoma ya corona maybe ile wamenyerewe na mulimo jo cancer na how was your journey?
Wambere karemi nkwenda gushokia nkatho for having me here.
Thank you.
Na I'm humbled.
Thank you.
Na mbugeni ndajirwe ni cancer 206 na ndagitwa nyonto. Na and I thank God nonto ni ndagitirwe nyonto ndado through the stages. Janto ba cancer ndadi through chemo, radiotherapy, monde ndadithirwa na ndanywa ndawa for 5 years na for now ndina cancer. Yeah.
Ugwire buru.
Ndagwire buru.
Kagita ka wazirwe 2006 nomba kuthiro ge access medical care na mpui kana rugendo rwaku rwakariate?
It was a bit difficult nionto nitwa inde gutari nanda watariu inde they were very expensive na 206 baria baije tokala idha na unyuma antu bara bajagwa ni cancer kagita ka it was a dead sentence nonto nobody would have hope in you na ni ugwakari antu bajagwa kona tuogagwa but by God's grace ngaina antedirie ndabua ndanywa ndawa for 2 years. I was in Kenyatta Hospital. Ndalikanire na Kenyatta the year 2009. Ndalikanire na Mount Monde ndambiria kunywa ndawa jita kwa tamoxifen. Ndanywa for 5 years. Ndalikanire na jo 2012. And from there new mitagwa onoka mbona sibitali maidia no tabweta bodiete ni oma na tabulio bodiete ni gauntukange but having said that nanga ya tutethetie antethetie personally ndabua a work ya cancer is terrible na we face a lot of problems nonto bwambele those people who are with the cancer kintu kiambele the community doesn't accept us up to today. My friend, up to today ndaomba kuthinya kelianto bakona takandiete kulomba mbesa simply because in their mind they think I'm sick na nebesi iragia muntu wina cancer atebura so nkadikelianto basically bona atakandiete kulomba otethi but I'm here to say antu ba cancer tutilomba gotethi ngaino otethi wetu na niwe inya wetu kogwa na riri antu batuona ne batige kuona gatakatu ajetwe ni corona and corona ni umurimo wa kugwatitanwa cancer ti umurimo wa kugwatitanwa amba kwithwa maybe genetic kana ile heredity from your family. So cancer te mulimo wa kugwatidanwa though ni mulimo very inya gutirita na kubura.
Kagita kaka wanja antu bengi bakwariria mulimo jo corona na aje baba bajitwe ni mulimo jo cancer then God ugo no gwire antu bara bajitwe ni mulimo jo cancer kagita kaka no interactete abo mbije we na shore kana one on two people wizi iba kulikano ni thirikari kana kagita kaka antu bonde bali na mantu jegie corona.
By the way I am the chair lady of Tharaka Nithi Cancer Neema Warriors. Antu baria bajetwe ni cancer, baria bakonywa ndawa, baria bathiete through the treatment na bange tolimeje tuetelete. I am the chair lady wa antu ba, we are almost 35 in Tharaka Nithi. Bambele bali twali 40, babange ni batutigire nonto boa cancer. So bau tuena about the 35, bau tuekalite nabo, they are living a very miserable life. Nonto bau bali meje they no can't get medicine. Nonto batiumagala, their immunity is very low. Onatani kwaliana we tigogunda alagirie, the chemotherapy destroyed all my cells. Ile jumba akolwana milimo. So I'm normally my immunity is very low. No kambona wana ndi mtu wa kawaida, but my immunity is very low. Kalimi edonda senja nidiena ndali kanidiena cancer 2012. Nilionda ndali kanidiena tamoxifen. Na no kona still I'm weak. What about someone who is under chemotherapy? Ana andobaba kathi Kenyatta kuona ndawa, wekelwa ndawa, ngari tekodhie. They are very expensive as I'm talking to you. Andobaba tena irio, batiuma. Nondobaka uma bakena kwethira tagwa wena corona. Woge gakwa wedo akwire.
No immunity wenye very low more jutumba corona mulimo.
Yeah, jutumba. So tio and about bena cancer will all only be calamity, and we are pleading with them be calamity. Netonto wa umagala na kedo te kolono na kedo no mulimo ungi wa kugwata you will die. So twakinya utokauli atele government yele twesiriate tio tolemejie tutekomba kumagala tuebajie our immunity is compromised. What is our government yele twesiriate? Our Hebo governor Muthomi Njuki and many other governors of this region of Kenya, but it was Shiriatia. Libe Karandele, Beshire Yantu Babaji, 20 Murimo cancer.
But it's
survive with some of us are very weak. Actually, Barabagi to Renyonto, some of them Ngakwila Kwa Kawila, Njaratia Imone, Neimbimbu. They walk badijana kemwenogo because they can't walk, they can't do anything. Now to kariaki iya wiyanto bate kumanja onabaka umanja we can't, because we are the vulnerable group in Kenya. We are our immune system is already compromised. So bale tueshiriatia
ma mutunduko jwa corona jo kwejare kana kuma nchome corona kweja Kenya kutena maybe any health officers kana ntu badrikari babu jaje ba cancer maybe ndene Tharaka Nithi tukabu provide ndawa or something.
We have never seen onto bwa no tutalo bona. By the way, but leo ile ndawa ile balanyunya ile jaka ile na subsidize the subsidized prices.
Chine
kimagori kidogo. Eu balagora around 50 ni around 200, ingeni around 85. Imagine you are taking this day on dawa on daily basis. Ontuko linywa ndawa ya 200 shillings. By the end of the week you kedonywete jigana. By the end of the month you kedonyete jigana. Ote kumagara ukaruta mbesa yuko. So we are asking Toriori atele government no isoe an away inge tutonyelera egatoshoira ndawa tukona gajia konywa ona tolemeji anakethwa no mathibitari mametu ma general hospitals ile tuathi nao tukajiona. Na another thing kendo takandia NHIF it doesn't cover these things. So no kona mtu oliote utagawira na ati antu akona mbesha, it is very difficult kuona ndawa ya mulimo wa cancer. And baraba kodi chemotherapy and radiotherapy in our counties gote gonto kwena sio tatigari utokawa gonto Tameru General Hospital. Imagine mtu akiuma Tharaka tanile umpumete kokogwakwa ndiete Meru. I don't have money, time nikandanki nyambithira na wone line area now. So we are pleading with our members of government or our able governor, Mr. Muthomi Njoki. And I know Mr. Muthomi is able to do that because he has done to this county many other things. Nani akomba, he is a able man. Mr. Muthomi is a able man. I know he can do it for us and to back cancer. Nenko menya Muthomi ne tonto nyaomba ago showa. Na niato valuaga, nia value te and to buy batarakanidi. I am sure Muthomi can be able to so irandawa. Naga to retera in Chuka or even to our residents because we are not in yeah.
Kagita kaka kwamba kuna possible lockdown tiga na huko na curfew ya 6 to 4 momo nkadha 11 ibo kwena rumors kwamba kuweka bano Burundi na Kenya na kwatuka gutikumagara uko no liongirite aje baba ingi bakansa bakomba kuthoro bagi survive kwatuka muntu alenja danande gukulo kwa burugo te muntu ramurie muntu thirikari antu jabo baje tuikansa bagakitabo.
That is where we are now and that is my question. Niyo na ndiudia leo kugekalatia batena ilio batena andawa, they can't move out, they are in their houses now. Antu baba bakaliambi me am pleading with our government and well wishers but to tell you tuone at least giakolia tuone ndawa and God will bless them. Yeah.
Na kire kingi maybe kagita kaka kwena corona ibo guchema ni amo maybe bugakanira hinya kana bukalire mantuzo kana kuma corona kwa mbele butomba kuthwa bukemi
bwambele leo otumba kuthi kwa mtu because everybody ne olesidia nde mwaji wogu ntumba kuthi kwa muntu na ninte kwenda kuthi naombe thire naome ngwata unaona so leo mtu alikala kewe otumba kuthi kwa muntu no ngale utwalirie na thimu thimu leo message ya credit ileko leo anatokije pole bala bange bekaraga kuma kwa mbele na lockdown na kuma corona yaoka because we don't meet you utedi kwene ndo wadi kwene you are corona suspect ndo gotoe modime so gotie kuomba kodi siri no kwana twinde omuntu alikala kiwona waombole kegwe wakuoga kwa kegwe so we have a lot of problem
na ntobonge maybe ndikugo kiuga cancer ni ora buru na kwena bena witikio ukagwatwa ni cancer kwanza kinyira stage 4 utumba kwithirwo kibua mantu ja wiza uma
well ekinye stage 4 no urege kubua kana no umwe it will depend na witikiekinga jadi olimu ha cancer mondolo la gidagia ningai na any other disease mondolo amba go trust akakuragithia ningai na ngai no tucokagia but ni atire my dear okegwa we na problem seek medical advice alia ne kande gikakinya na stage 4 wetho at least nuona nete na daktari ketho ni awire we murute na wadi the processes ya thibitari ne kanda omba gutweka okobua na anto batige kodi kolagolilo unajua kuri anto besiragia cancer ni kologwo liwe onire na wimbo gatinda kuga ene motoru akwau no okologile no ogiriria no it's a disease like any other tabulia kwajwa ni malaria kajwa ni malaria mundele ukinaga kodi sibitali angateka okwa
ndakwa
so that is the same thing why did we na kawimbe kidogo tika kuga ikula alogirwe tika kodi gotinda agososola go to the hospital na wadi sibitali yedo ni cancer ya tukade ya kuna estima mapema you get healed and you live a normal life yeah.
Na maybe untubongi mpenda kwithirwa angikuria kwina antu baugaga ukeja kwithirwa kigwatwa ni cancer kwi antu bagioga ukathinjwa igatongwa iro yumba kwithirwa igi spread other parts of the body ugo nombete kwithirwa ukithinjwa na wagito nyontu mantu ja wiza uma
gankwile there are different types of cancer
yes
ukwigwa cancer ti type imwe kwire ingalagia kwingitha kwirio wau na muntu uria umba kumenya maundu mau wega ni daktari daktari no umba kuthia ndingiaga kwira eno ni ile ya kungaria eno ni ile ilakagia eno ni 1 2 3 4 so ugekala moji you may not know the truth but to me I believe cancer ni ilakagia
na mbere nkwithirwa ngikurekeria mami kwina thaizi kwina mulimo wa corona na ijuju kwarirwa muno na thirikari ni uriritwe muno ne yajiba mulimo wa cancer ajiba mirimo ingi ja TB mirimo mingi reo mba kwithirwa ikiuraga antu tigana na thai corona erezere maybe you appeal to the government kana uro kwenda kwira thirikari na tatukirekia
buria ndingienda kwira thirikari ndingienda kuga atiri we are very sorry ni tonto corona iriku and it is killing people but baki focus on corona ne back focus antu bara bena melimu erengeta diabetes bena melimu erengeta TB bena melimu erengeta cancer because mulimo ni mulimo neto tiga kuraida one area tuliganirwe ni bara bangi we are all twinde twibande no we belong to Kenya we belong to Uhuru who is our president we belong to him kwagu akendiru na antu ba corona please ni atige gutuliganirwo ni aturirikane we belong to him na niwe tweterete na niwe tukumenya akaria wolo wa mirimo eno ingi buria batie kuluthwa and nke viria bururu ndingiuga atire cancer is a disaster actually ebatie kwa nanswa eleo national wide disaster because gotem tote kwa twane cancer na cancer okadi in every homestead as I'm talking to you otiaga muntu wina cancer and the cancer ke jaga the resources diamuji kwa obuli antu bayinge bakwajwa ne cancer no bunde na ya economy ya ndeno ekathie kethiraga because we all focus kwithira nyambesa turagithia twidi antu babe na cancer kana tubasoire ndawa no menye muntu we na cancer no kumwithiraniria mbesa we gutigi ntu ago provide to this nation because ateruta wira
atumba
kwa it's a disaster kwa kutubati kugere ne disaster cancer ne disaster to this nation nonto kekuria mbesa diantu ba Kenya no ni keko weaken the economy of this nation na tukona antu ba kumanja ba go tutethia we would be very happy. Another thing as I hand antu ba inge monone ba ugani ba gutethia antu ba cancer and that is why the government itomba go tonyerera go tutethia. But let me tell you, when people come here, you are here to benefit yourself. And to benefit. The Boliaba Gotedia and to Bauma from this disease. Nepolia Guao Queja, one Mrs. Morioki, Are Moadia, Omolingembisa, Willie America, also Embesa. And then in Kolibariba Kadijaga, because America they are dying. God is not a limit, is God. God is God, Nanyara Idaga. Wagunyo ndenge pre-dinanto na dhirikari yetu ya Kenya. With our President Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta. Because I know he's a good man. Uhuru is a good man. Augeno ni disaster. Ekola ganto bai. Nikanda tuona ndawa. Nikanda tumba gutetheka na nikanda economy yetu yomba kobua na nikanda onati tumba kutethia jiana jietu na jiana jietu jomba ko build the economy because when my things didn't tumira into jia kwa jionde jiana jia kwa itethoma and therefore they will rely on the government which is kuthiria government the resources but if I am able to make them people to represent me tomorrow they will build this economy. Now I am pleading with them. Baumba kuruta atia. Cancer okerwa ne disaster. Geko dhiria Kenya. Geko dhiria economy. Geko dhiria antuba Kenya. So that non-governmental organizations can come in and help us to one free treatment. To live a free to tole maisha tabale antuba timbi patulaga. Antuba bena timbi ndawa jiaone free. Antuba ba HIV ndawa jiaone free. Antuba diabetes ndawa jiao they are not expensive like ndawa jia cancer. Why can't they say this one is a disaster to this nation? Nekanda tuona antuba go tutethia.
Imbuka sana.
Yeah.
Thank you so much mami nontoba kuona kanya na koraniria na Amiru. Nengwetike thirikari kaigwa kiriro giaku zomo victim baru moja cancer. Otege rito shokere tena mugeni wako abaire kiogoro gia narua okeja gwitaita kuraza. Mutageri tugucokera na mugeni wetu wa bairi hugorobwa na arua uria wizikeneza Violet Njeri kana Mrs. Kiraithe bado turi ontere cia chuka na twezaza kwithira tukieta na mbere na kwariria ajiba mulimo jo cancer Kenyamara kiraba gukurukira kagita gaka antu bonthe Kenya na ndi na ndiguru yonthe ni rorirwe ni mirimo yonthe baritegete mulimo jo corona na kwitha tukiarire mantu jau twina Mrs. Kiraithe tunda kwira karibu sana kethia Ameru na Tegeri Baweru TV.
Okay, asante sana mtangazaji Karimi. Nguga ni wega na ngukethia Ameru monde na Weru TV. Ngukethia muinthe. Watagu mwetwa mbitagwa Violet Njeri kana Mrs. Kiraithe. Na ndi mwalimu by profession. Ndarwarire cancer 2004 nilio diagnosed with cancer. Lakini ndo nataka ya ukilearia nonto ngwegwa the lump in my breast nenda tuikire concerned immediately na ndambiriria gweta cibitari ndeta in the local hospitals ndeta Chogoria ndeta Nguvu na for almost a year more than a year mataumbire kundiagonize that it was cancer. Na ni marutaga biopsy ikatumwa Nairobi ikaukere benign ngerwa benign ni cancer ya ni a growth that is not dangerous. Leo nindekaliro hu ange ngusande constant ngeta hospitali makandima makambira nembe kaikale for some time growth yenu yaleka kuthira nchoke. Ningwisiria nonto those days cancer that is so common. Kwa mateki yao bila kuona takaya ali cancer. Lakini one time ngothi Nguvu ndagitari ni suggest instead of kuruta biopsy kanini na malute kalambu kanena nene. Leo lida malutire that kalambu still it was benign. Lakini that doctor suggest nonto bwa buli alambu ni ku persist. It is good I go to a big hospital and then do the further testing. Nenda dhile Kenyatta mantuma nunda aludhetu all those biopsies. Mambira nendo dhilo ingi meta fine into aspiration. Ndadhienda aludhilwa. Funny enough it was benign. Lakini that doctor ni andodhile that fine into inspiration nearly very suspicious. Ambira andikauga nindi ndutwe the whole lamp ethimwe yonewe how it is. There that lamp ya lutirwe on the whole lamp and part of the breast. No what we get it was malignant, it was cancerous. Na from there nkinambiria process ya kuludhirwa mastectomy ino ya kurutwa nyonto. Na from there nkinambiririwa onikimo idambiririwa onikimo nindaludhirwe mini sessions nundundele to it and gone to stage 3 nundune alikuwa mbeji affected even the lymph nodes leo nilionda kwatwikire ndudhirwe kimo immediately ndambiriria kuludhirwa kimo after the mastectomy. Na lila ndaludhirwe kimo after some time ndekirwa on radiotherapy. Ndaludhirwa radiotherapy. After that I was put on ndawa singizitwa tamoxifen for 5 months. Ndero nyenda in for 5 months. Na ninkulirikana that kimo was so expensive nonto ndingi afondile ayanditutu a fundraiser nikenda mbumba kuludhirwa kimo nonto one session was going for 86,000 na nindaludhirwe 16 sessions. Kwa hivyo it really costed me a lot of money but God was faithful ndo antu ni mashangire mbesa cianegana ndanaludhirwa that treatment. It was very saddening to 2014 2004 I had just lost my husband. 2005 gwatuka riu ndina cancer. It was very disheartening nundu ndona ciana igutwika orphans. My last born son nikajoinaga form 1. It was something that was very hard for me. Mono.
Na kuma umithie ugutwitwa ukugitwa chemotherapy no thire kuthirwo kibuburu
nindegwire ngibua tiga the side effects cia kimo. Riu in 2013 ndathiria session inu ya kimo 5 years. Ndacoka cibitari kaire Nairobi ndira ndagitari riu nundu I am through with the chemo. I mean with those drugs cietagwa hormonotherapy. I'm through with those drugs. What next? Ambira riu vulo kalutha ko gatigana na those drugs nundu ni ya 5-year treatment. Ngina tigana nacio. That was in 2013. 2014 ndambire kugwa ndina very many problems in my chest. Kwena congestion yaki ndathie for treatment in these local hospitals. Watuka it was not letting up. Kinyaki ya riu gwatuka I could not even breathe. Riu no kumenya ndathire ndaluthirwa further testing nda device one shock Nairobi kaire. Riu kuthie Nairobi watuka it was cancer. Now it has migrated to my lung. Yeah, the lung and been affected. Nigitumi ntaupaka breathe. Wachoka gwatuka the whole of the chest cavity was full of water. Uno ndavire sibitali mandireni that water na still ngena mbiriria gwikirwa kimo kaire.
Bana ndia mauri.
Yeah, no, the cancer that had now gone to the lungs. Nandali bakupe kolega nuntu. In fact, I had refused, and he said that I would rather die. Nuntu that first session, the chemo is bad, very very bad. You don't know the second time. Don't know antitiga. Nuntu ane don't know that chemo. Most patients makushaga nuntu bwa the chemo. The treatment, not the cancer. It is very strong. You don't know ni ntibwa. Nindera my family ntiko nataka ngakirwa chemo kairi. But they talked to me. Ndambiria treatment. Ndalutherwa many sessions. They were quite a number. 24 sessions. And this time the drugs was even more expensive.
After that,
after that, and in fact, my doctor, I can retire on medical grounds. Lakini ndona leo retire, what do I do? Ndona leo retire, I will just be staying at home, wallowing in self-pity.
Uchigiro kiao.
Kuigiro kiao, ungiona leo I'm all alone. I will just nitajikaza tu nisomeshe. I'm still teaching, and I'm even due for retirement in a few years time, and that is something that I never used to anticipate. Nindona atakanga kinya noko.
Utetikagia wethero moyo.
Nintetikagia kana ngethirwa ndi moyo. On that first time that diagnosed with cancer, I was building a house. Yakinya bantu ndonania na nyombe untithi mbele nayo nuntu now what for. My children kanda relocate from now we are married ndagula a piece of land somewhere. You nikundakaga. You ndona leo the children cannot come to live here alone.
Kaba na muzi.
Na kaba mali mushi with the relatives. Ndona leo nyombe nwe na ntemiaka.
Na kagita kaka mami ugono mbete kuthiro kibo mulimo jo cancer lakini no mbete kuthiro gintarati na kagita kaka kwa antu baingi muno bokurukira thina especially the thirikari akenya bondo ba focusite ki mulimo jo corona thaizi aje bara interactive na bo cancer maybe mathina za kubokurukira nontu guto balikana
riu ni ana ntikomenya how some of us are really making it nuntu ninge muno in my group ukona matiko ciomba nuntu kona kana irio is a problem to them anakuwa na fare ya guka we we normally meet ni thina riu as for now ni ndikumea how they are surviving nuntu mamwe they are sickly kulimo magite na fluids ya mwana kuma mwili njara ikaimba igekalawo mikimo very na gutibu mankiumba kulutha riu I don't know buria makulutha na nigitumi ngo appeal to the government antu tamau maraithiriwe ni maraithiriwe nuntu they need help.
Bwaga sana mami nontu bakona kanya nontu bakuthirwo kiaraniria na Amiru na gwikira bangi inya na mwathani ete na mbere na ukwaramirie miaka na kuongera miaka ningi uturo uri ukuzi na gwikira baba ingi inya.
Thank you muno Karemi. Nimeshukuru. Ugani wega muno nuntu kwa this concern Wero TV ethirwa inayo nuntu bwa ku at least feature the plight of cancer patients. Ni wega muno ngai amurathime na rathime Wero TV.
Ibwega sana mutegeri wa Wero TV mbitikiria tumbe kuthwa tukirikiria au na ingwitike thirikari kuigwa kagita gaka tutarega murimu wa corona ije tutanambere na kuangaratania muno nthiguru lakini kwina aje barabe na mirimu ya diabetes ku barabe na murimu wa TB ku barabe na murimu wa cancer na ibo kurukira rwa kai muno mashinani ibethiru bakirikano kagita gaka uria bagakinya cibitari kwina curfew mtu wa cancer atietera curfew irethira mtu ura wina diabetes atietera ethira mtu kwajo thaizi atetera gukia rukiri thirikari tafadhali batere kuthabu kimenya uria antu jababa bakomba kuthirwa bagitungatiro jo Karimu Bango jo Gikaro na county ni mbete wa Karimi county maro gituma Garabwega.